Blessings, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. So, the other day, I took the day off, me and my husband, and we went out to eat. We went and sat by the water in our local city. We just hung out. I mean, we cut up. We had so much fun. Then we went and we talked about our goals, new goals that we needed to set, and how we were going to obtain these goals. Because there's no sense of goal digging without coming up with a plan. Here's the thing I loved about all of that. We called that Bay Day. So it was more than just a date night. It was Bay Day because we spent the entire day together. We didn't talk about our children. We didn't talk about our work because those two consumes us. But it was all about us acting silly and rekindling that love. And I pray that you all do the same because it is important. Have yourself a Bay Day, all right? Bay Day, Bay Day. Be blessed. Okay, so we decided to have lunch at a new restaurant that I've never gone to but comes highly recommended. I love Spanish food. I love all their seasonings and I love when everything is made fresh. So we are off to Bay Day brunch. All right, let's get it. So here we are at the restaurant, and unfortunately something went wrong with my voice, so I'm doing a voiceover. And here we go. My husband absolutely loved the food. We had rice and beans. I had pork. He had steak skirt. And we had yuca fries for the first time. I'm telling you, this food was good, but just us being together, laughing and joking and just talking and not talking about, things that can consume us or things that are so important, but just living in the moment and enjoying each other's company. And like I said, the yuca fries were something new we've never had before, but they were so good we actually took or purchased a batch to bring home for our kids. Funny, because we said we weren't going to talk about them, but we actually said, you know what, they would love them. So we ordered a batch to go. So I'm going to stop talking and you guys check out this good food. So much for checking out our channel. Please like and subscribe. Be blessed.